Hi, let's play with Module 2C. I started to talk about that one in the last video and it just kind of forgot what I was doing. And so I ended Module 2B video before I got to Module 2C. Sorry about that. But Module 2C is we're going to take a look at the lesson plan that you created before, and we're going to update it with technology. So go back to M1C, Module 1C, Technology Integration Models, if you'll remember back to playing around with TIM and the other tech integration models we talked about. Copy over everything that you got from there into into the table here. And then I want you to add some bullet points about what technology tool you would use as a teacher and as a student for this lesson. And so on each one of these cells here in the table, each row here, paste in your answer from before and then just add in a bullet point or two and tell me more about it. So if you're going to differentiate, tell me about a technology tool that would help that student, the one who has ADHD. Tell me about the student who's an English language learner. How would that technology help that student? So we're just continuing to add on to this lesson, and we're making it better and better as we go along. And I think we've got, I think this should be the lesson makeover number 2 or 3 that we've done on this one. And then we're almost done with this lesson. So just keep thinking about how we're going to make this better and more applicable for each of your students. And when you're done with that, all you have to do is click share, copy the link, make sure that it's set to anyone with the link can view. Once you've got that copied, you're done. Then you can just paste in your link to the Google Doc here. Paste in that URL and we will call it good. That's what you're working on for Module 2C. If you have any questions, please let me know, but I think it ought to be relatively straightforward. We're just going to use what we've learned in the 2 previous modules for playing with technology resources. We're going to add those to that lesson to try to make it better. Hope that helps. And again, if you have any questions,